Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to do face milling for any profile. So here they have given this profile. You guys don't need to consider any options here. Just you guys need to note down the x direction dimensions, y direction dimensions and z direction dimensions. So let's, for our reference, just draw a rectangle block and put the dimensions of x direction, that is 100 mm, and y direction dimension, that is also 100 mm. So here they haven't given any specific z direction dimensions, so let's assume the raw material is 15 mm and we need to keep 10 mm, so just means we need to remove 5 mm. So now here let's give dimensions, that is 15, 30, 45, 60, 75, 90 and at last 100. That means we are removing 15 mm material per at a time. So now so here write 0, 100 and let's now start with the program. That is, first you need to write a program name, that is capital O, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is not 0 base, it's O. And let's write the dimensions we require: 100 mm, 100 mm and 10 mm. So now let's write G21, that is input in millimeters, and G94, that is feet per revolution. In milling we use feet per revolution, and in turning we use feet per revolution. Sorry guys, in milling we use feet per minute, that is G94, and in turning we use G feet per revolution. So now G91, that is incremental, G28, that is move to reference point, x0, y0, z0, return to reference point x0, y0 and z0. Now let's change the tool. Now select the tool as M06, that is tool changing code, and 201 tool number 1, M03 spindle on clockwise, M08 coolant on. Let's give a spindle speed as 1500, and here for our reference let's write the tools we are selecting here, that is face mill diameter 40 mm I am considering here. And now let's start with the actual operation. So first you use G90 and G00. G90 is absolute type of dimensioning that is we are using here for this operation. So G90, G00, that is rapid movement. And let's bring the tool from the reference point to x0, y0 with z5, because we don't have to touch any of the material while coming. So next G01, let's start with linear interpolation, that is linear cutting. It is x0, y15 from here to here, and let's give a z0 and let's give a feed of 200. And now we have moved tool from here to here. We need to move from here to here, that is G01 will be there, x 100 and y will be 15. Now from here to here, that is 15 to 30 we need to move, that is x will be 100 only, y will going to change 30. And now we need to move from here to here, that is x will be 0 and y will be 30. And now 30 to 45, that is x will be 0, y will be 45, and then y 45 to here to here, that is x will be 100 and y will be 45. And from here to here, that is 45 to 60, x will be 100, y will be 60, and here to here, that is x 0, y will be 60. Now here to here, 60 to 75, x will be 0, y will be 75, and here to here, that is x will be 100 and y will be 75. So from here to here, that is 75 to 90, x will be 100, y will be 90, and from here to here, that is x will be 0, y will be 90. From here to here, that is x will be 0, y will be 100, and from now here to here, that is x 100, y will be 100. So this is the facing operation we are doing. And at last we need to move the tool to z5 we need to give, that is the tool we are moving from 0 to 5 mm upward from the material. And after that let's move the tool to reference point, that is G91, G28, X0, Y0, Z0, and let's stop the spindle M05 and let's stop the coolant M09. If you are just doing facing, let's end the whole program, that is M30. If you are continuing program or continuing any operation after the facing, you guys don't need to write M30. Let's after M09 you guys need to continue.
Now let's do the simulation part. I have typed the program here which I was written in the page. So now let's copy the whole program and open the software, CNC milling software. Click OK. Select create a new part. Paste the program in the program editor and run syntax. After it, select the tool. Here I am using face milling tool, that is round and 40 mm in diameter. After that, click OK, and now give the dimensions that we require. Here we require 100. We don't need to remove any metal from XY direction. Here I am assuming it has 15 mm Z blank thickness, Z direction. So now we require minus 10 mm. Let's give it in minus. OK, and now I'm selecting this type of simulation, and now let's start. So guys, how's the video? Please like and subscribe to my channel and do comment.